Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to take out a loan on Cash App using the Borrow feature. To begin, open the Cash App on your device. Once you're on the main money screen, look for the Borrow option and tap on it. The app will display your current borrow limit. For this example, let's say the limit is $25. Tap on Get Started to continue. Next, you'll see a screen with details about the borrowing process. Cash App allows you to receive funds instantly, pay a simple flat fee, and potentially qualify for a higher limit over time. Tap Next to proceed. Now, you can select the amount you want to borrow. You can either type in the amount or choose from the available options. For this example, let's select $20. Once you've chosen your amount, tap Next. The app will show you a summary of your loan. It will display the amount being borrowed, the flat fee, and the total amount you'll need to repay. In this case, borrowing $20 incurs a $1 fee, meaning you'll need to pay back $21 within 30 days. Tap Next to move on. After that, you'll need to select a repayment schedule. Cash App provides several options. You can choose to pay in smaller amounts over time, such as $5.25 weekly for 4 weeks, or repay the entire balance at once before the due date. Let's select the weekly repayment option for this demonstration. Tap Choose Repayment Schedule and then Next. The app will now ask for some additional personal information, including your social security number, PIN, and confirmation of your legal name, address, and date of birth. Once you've entered the information, confirm that it's correct and proceed by tapping Yes, it's correct. You'll now see a final review of your loan details. It will include the borrowed amount, the fee, the total repayment amount, the annual percentage rate, and the final due date. If everything looks accurate, tap Borrow instantly. Once confirmed, the borrowed funds will be added to your Cash App balance, and you'll be notified about the repayment schedule. For example, if you borrowed $20 and had $45 in your balance, your total balance will now show $65. To view more details about your loan, go back to the Borrow section. Here, you can see your total borrow limit and repayment schedule. If you'd like to repay early, tap on Repay Early, choose an option, such as paying the full balance, and confirm the payment. After repayment, your balance will be adjusted accordingly and the loan will be marked as repaid. That's it. That's how you can solve the How to Take Out a Loan on Cash App using the Borrow feature problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.